Hello, welcome to another episode of Heat Hacks. Today's question is what kind of screed you should be using on top of your underfloor heating, a liquid or a dry screed. They have pros and cons. Dry screed is usually less expensive, it's more readily available. It can be installed room by room, but it is a much thicker depth and takes a lot longer to dry. It would have similar outputs, but it's not as dense, so may not be quite as good as encapsulating the pipe as liquid screed. And liquid screed, such as our AmbiFibre, you would use typically on a first floor like a bathroom. It's really easy to install. It's a thinner layer which is self-leveling and then can be worked on in the 24 to 48 hours, but is a little bit more expensive. And top tip is if you're installing it on the first floor, to make sure there's no leakage below, make sure you use a DPM or a separating layer or any sealant to make sure it doesn't slip through any gaps. Thanks for watching. Do check out our website and our support details. Leave a comment and reach out on WhatsApp.